हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू YU एजुकेशन चैनल। आज हम 100 बेसिक कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन, फुल फॉर्म्स, शॉर्टकट कीज, कंप्यूटर पार्ट और ऑल कंप्यूटर के आंसर्स देंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। Full form of computer, commonly operating machine used for technological education research. Full form of mouse, manually operated user selection equipment. Full form of keyboard, keys electronic yet board operating A to Z response directly. Full form of CPU, central processing unit. Full form of RAM, random access memory. Full form of ROM, read-only memory. Full form of HDD, hard disk drive. Full form of PDF, portable document format. Full form of BIOS, basic input-output system. Full form of VGA, video graphics array. Full form of PC, personal computer. Full form of CD, compact disc. Full form of DVD, digital versatile disc. Full form of IT, information technology. Full form of USB, universal serial bus. Full form of SQL, structured query language. Full form of SMS, short message service. Full form of LAN, local area network. Full form of MMS, multimedia messages service. Full form of WWW, World Wide Web. Full form of ISP, Internet Service Provider. Full form of FDD, floppy disk drive. Full form of LCD, liquid crystal unit. Full form of DOS, disk operating system. Full form of ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following is the main memory of the computer? A. ROM, B. Cache, C. BIOS, D. RAM. Correct answer है RAM, random access memory. Which component of the computer is responsible for performing arithmetic and logic operations? A. System unit, B. ROM, C. CPU, D. RAM. Correct answer है CPU, central processing unit. Choose the correct full form of ALU. A. Arithmetic and logic union, B. Automatic and logic unit, C. Arithmetic and login unit, D. Array and logic unit. Correct answer है C. Arithmetic logic unit. Who has been given the title of father of computer? A. Bill Gates, B. Steve Jobs, C. Charles Manson, D. Charles Babbage. Correct answer है D. Charles Babbage. Choose the smallest font size available in Microsoft Word 2016. A. 8, B. 10, C. 11, D. 72. Correct answer है 8. In spreadsheet software, every formula is started by A. Plus, B. Multiplication, C. Equals, D. Divided. Correct answer है C. Equals. Choose the input device from the following options. A mouse, B. Digital camera, C. Keyboard, D. All options. Correct answer है D. All options. By default in Microsoft Excel 2016, how many sheet tabs are available? A5, B11, C10, D3. Correct answer है D3. The computer directly understands only A. Urdu, B. 0 or 1, C. Hindi, D. English. Correct answer है B. 0 or 1. Physical part of the computer that we can see and are called A. Software, B. Physical parts, C. Physical components, D. Hardware. Correct answer है D. Hardware. Storage devices which holds data and programs permanently are known as A. Primary storage, B. System unit, C. Processor, D. Secondary storage. Correct answer है D. Secondary storage. Which technology of monitors provides highest quality of images? A. ELD, B. LCD, C. QLED, D. CRT. Correct answer है C. QLED. Which of the following option is an example of application software? A. Windows. B. Utility program. C. Drivers. D. MS Word. Correct answer है MS Word. Choose the correct association from the following. A. Keyboard input. B. Keyboard output. C. Keyboard storage. D. Keyboard mouse. Correct answer है A. Keyboard input. Which device converts hard copy text or images to digital form? A. Scanner. B. LCD. C. Mouse. D. Monitor. Correct answer है A. Scanner. Arrow keys on keyboard are also called A. Toggle keys. B. Function keys. C. Cursor control keys. D. USB keys. Correct answer है C. Cursor control keys. Which is not a secondary storage device? A. Hard disk. B. USB. C. Cache. D. Memory card. Correct answer है C. Cache. Application software cannot run without A. Application software. B. USB. C. System software. D. CD DVD. Correct answer है C. System software. Is usually used for making final documents or reports. A. Microsoft PowerPoint. B. Microsoft Excel. C. Microsoft Access. D. Microsoft Word. Correct answer है D. Microsoft Word. The most powerful computer is A. Supercomputer. B. Microcomputer. C. Mini computer. D. None of these. Correct answer है A. Supercomputer. Central Processing Unit has which of the following components? A. Control Unit. B. Arithmetic Logic Unit. C. Register Unit. D. All of the above. Correct answer है D. All of the above. BIOS is used A. By compiler. B. By operating system. C. By interested. D. By application software. Correct answer है B. By operating system. What is the speed of computer measured in? A. Nanoseconds. B. Kiloseconds. C. Gigahertz. D. Megabytes. Correct answer है C. Gigahertz. IC is made of A. Transistor. B. Microprocessors. C. Vacuum tubes. D. None of the above. Correct answer है A. Transistor. Floppy disk is related to which type of memory? A. External. B. Internal. C. Volatile. D. A and B. Correct answer है A. External. Computer shortcut keys A to Z. Control A. Select all the document. Control B. Bold. Control C. Copy text. Control D. Font. Control A. Align center. Control F. Open find box. Control G. Go to. Control H. Replace. Control I. Italic. Control J. Justify. Control K. Hyperlink. Control L. Left alignment. Control M. Indent a paragraph. Control N. New document. Control O. Open documents. Control P. Print dialog box. Control Q. Reset paragraph. Control R. Right alignment. Control S. Save document. Control T. Create a hanging indent. Control U. Underline. Control V. Paste. Control W. Close window. Control X. Cut. Control Y. Redo. Control Z. Undo. Key function use. F1 help. F2 rename. F3 search. F4 close. Alt जोड़ F4. F5 refresh. F6 cursor move. F7 spell check. F8 safe mode boot. F9 refresh fields email send. F10 menu bar on. F11 full screen. F12 save as. Thanks for watching. If you like and subscribe for more content.